Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, September 26th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So the Aussie dollar pushed down to the 61% Fibonacci retracement of this whole move up right here. Now, this move down could definitely be a pullback to this move up, meaning that it definitely could bounce from a fib level and just continue the uptrend. The move down to me is looking a little too steep to be a complete correction. I mean, for me, I would like to see kind of a more flatter, kind of drawn out thing like this to be a correction. As of right now, it's actually looking very impulsive, which makes me think that maybe it's going to keep on pushing down. I, for sure, and definitely would still be looking for shorts. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, it all depends on what kind of trader you are, because if the 61% does hold, it does go up, and if it does break, then the first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on the whole move down. If you trade below the 1 hour time frame, at that point you possibly could look for longs, maybe scalp a couple longs to the upside. But for me personally, as more of a longer term trader, even if it does break to the upside, I'm still going to kind of assume that it's very likely just a pullback within a downtrend. I would still throw my Fibonacci retracement out there, but I personally would still be looking for shorts at the end of three-way pullbacks. Why? Because the higher time frames are technically down and the trend is definitely your friend. These counter trend moves can be very unpredictable and very unreliable. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.